Hello, this is a quick demonstration of selection in Python using if, elif and else. It is an accompaniment to a blog post that I'm writing, the URL for which will be in the description once the blog post goes active. Okay, so I'm going to type this out. So I'm going to start by creating a variable. Number 1, I want to say that equals to 5. Number 2 equals 10. Then we'll go an if number 1 is less than number 2, and you can see that I'm not typing all of this. Add the colon, hit the return, print number 1. Now, because I'm mixing integers and strings, I'm going to use the comma notation just to make life easier. Is less than number 2. Elif number 1 is equivalent to number 2. Number 2, a colon again, another code block, print number 1 equivalent to number 2, else print number 1 number 2. Okay, so let's just run that through. I will debug it line by line just to make it. So we've got the first variable is equal to 5, second variable is equal to 10. First check isn't true, or is true, so we're going to print number 1, or number 5 is less than 10, or the variable number 1 is less than number 2. If I make these both equal to each other, and I run that again, so we've got 5 and 5, we skip that one because that's not true. We check this one, that is true, so it else, let's change this one to 10, run it once more. So false, false. This is now the only one left, so we're going to run that code there.